In this video, I will show you how to know if your WhatsApp is being spied on in a really simple and quick way. So don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Let's get started. So it might happen that someone is spying on your WhatsApp account, or you might be wondering if that's the case. And we will be able to see that right away. So you just need to click on your application, WhatsApp, like this. So I'm going to show you on my iPhone, but it's the same if you're on Android or another phone. Next, you will need to go to your settings, WhatsApp like this, and you should normally see a section named Linked Devices right here. You just need to click on it. And there you will be able to see all the devices that are connected to your WhatsApp account. So there is your phone that you might be using currently, but there can also be, for example, your computer, if you have connected WhatsApp to your computer. So in my case, that's true. I have indeed connected my WhatsApp to my computer, Mac, like this on Google Chrome. So you can also see the last activity of that device. Make sure to check if it matches, if it seems familiar to you. If you see that it's a strange device or one that dates back a long time, you can always click on it and mark it. Log out to be able to disconnect your account from that device. This is really the most important step to see if someone is spying on your WhatsApp account or not. And then the second thing to do is if you ever go into the chats right here in the settings, always under backup, you can then enable end-to-end encrypted backup, which means secured right at the bottom here, so that if someone ever gets hold of your phone that you might have lost, they cannot access your backup, etc. And not even WhatsApp or Apple directly or Google will have access to your WhatsApp backup either. So you can click on enable right here. You will need to create a password and then click on confirm to activate this protection on your WhatsApp backup. And with that, you can ensure that your WhatsApp will be in order. Feel free if you have any questions. This was GUMY. Bye.